Hello everyone, welcome to EasyLearn. Today in this video I am going to show you how to install Apache server in Amazon Linux. Let's launch the instance. In the security group, you have to allow the all traffic rule here and launch the instance. View all instances. Instance state is pending. Wait for a while. Yeah, instance is running. Connect to the EC2 instance. Here we successfully connect to the Amazon Linux machine. Switch to root user. Update repository. Updated successfully. Clear the screen. Let's install the Apache server. Let's enable the Apache server. Here why I am typing HTTPD is Apache is hypertext transfer protocol daemon, so that's why we call HTTP is as a Apache. So enabled successfully. Let's start the Apache server. Let's check the status of the Apache server. Yeah, Apache is active and running. Let's open the console of the Apache here. So take the public IP address of the instance and take a new tab and paste it here. Just give enter. The Apache is successfully installed here. This is the default page of the Apache. So this is how we will install the Apache web server in Amazon Linux. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video.